Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make second law of exponents equation in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to make second law of exponents equation. In this document, go to the insert menu. Then click the equation drop down menu and go to the more equation from office.com and find the second law of exponents equation. Here the second law of exponents. Now we click it to insert. Then we can see we insert or make the law of exponents equation very easily. You can change the equation, click the equation box and go to the design menu. Then added more equation like fraction, script, radical, integral, large operation, etc. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.